Local news for Monday the 5th of November. The Hurricanes are heading back to Mangatinoka on the 9th of February next year. Captain of the Hurricanes, Dane Cole, says the team is really keen to head back to the farm for the match, saying, "I know the whole squad are looking forward to heading back to Mangatinoka, especially the boys who have not experienced playing there before. Tickets are on sale from 7 a.m. this morning." And one person has died in a crash in Upper Wanawa Road near Masterton on Friday night. The single vehicle crash occurred at around 6:20, with 3 other people from the car reported injured, one seriously. Pongaroa's David Buick has won the Open Class in the Manawatu and West Coast AMP show shearing competition. It was his 18th Open Class win. Masterton's Adam Gordon won the novice shearing section, while Lucky Garrett from Ekatahuna won the senior wool handling. And in sport, Sundays or the weekend's Coastal Challenge cricket. United beat Wairarapa by 3 runs, with Red Star going down by 8 wickets, and the Wairarapa women, the Korals, thrashing Manawatu. 175 for 8 was their score, with Manawatu managing just 57.